Buying an SUV is, for many people, the second biggest investment of their lives after buying a home. And that's exactly why so many regret their decision. Expensive maintenance, poor fuel economy, and rapid depreciation are all common issues. But there's a select group of SUVs that break this rule. Models that combine performance, technology, safety, and above all, reliability. Today we're going to talk about 5 SUVs that stand out in all these aspects. Each one has its own unique strengths, but they all share one thing in common. They're built to last, to save money over time, and to deliver a safe and enjoyable driving experience. The Subaru Forester is one of the most balanced compact SUVs on the market. It comes standard with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive, a system that continuously distributes power to all 4 wheels. The result? Extra safety in rain, snow, and rough terrain. Despite this permanent AWD setup, which usually increases fuel consumption, the Forester surprises with impressive numbers, around 26 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway. That's efficiency you'd expect from a sedan, not a rugged SUV. Another highlight is safety. The EyeSight Driver Assist Suite is standard across all trims, bringing adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, pre-collision braking, and more. It's like having a co-pilot watching the road at all times. When it comes to durability, the Forester has a stellar reputation. It's common to see units passing 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance. For anyone who wants a versatile, efficient, and trustworthy SUV, the Forester is a rock-solid choice. The Lexus RX is proof that luxury doesn't have to come with headaches. For over a decade, it has dominated reliability rankings, making it one of the safest bets in the premium SUV market. The RX 350 features a smooth, dependable V6, while the RX Hybrid achieves over 30 mpg, numbers that are almost unheard of in luxury SUVs. That balance of performance and fuel efficiency is one of its strongest selling points. Inside, the RX is spacious, comfortable, and finished with high-quality materials that stand the test of time. Its quiet cabin turns every trip into a serene experience. And resale values are among the best in the premium segment, thanks to its rock-solid reliability. Unlike many German rivals that demand costly repairs and frequent shop visits, the RX delivers refinement without becoming a money pit. It's the premium SUV for buyers who want comfort, status, and peace of mind all in one. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid is a family hauler that nails the balance between space, efficiency, and longevity. It offers 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, while still delivering an outstanding 36 mpg combined. That translates into hundreds of dollars in yearly fuel savings, but efficiency is only part of the story. Owners routinely report Highlanders surpassing 250,000 miles with ease, many even reaching the 400,000 mile mark with no major issues. This is a vehicle designed to stay in the family for decades. The cabin is roomy, quiet, and practical, with a layout that favors durability over unnecessary complexity. And owner satisfaction ratings are consistently among the highest in the industry. For large families who want reliability, space, and long-term savings, the Highlander Hybrid is almost unbeatable. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button right now, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who's shopping for a new SUV. And drop a comment below. Which one of these SUVs would you put in your driveway and why? I'd love to hear your take. Now, let's keep going because the next 2 models are just as impressive. The Acura RDX is a smart entry into the luxury SUV market for buyers who don't want the headaches of high-maintenance German brands. Under the hood, it packs a 2.0L turbocharged engine with 272 horsepower, giving it plenty of punch for highway driving and city commutes alike. And with up to 28 mpg on the highway, it's surprisingly efficient for its class. Inside, Acura loads the RDX with premium features as standard. Leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, a premium audio system, and advanced safety tech. No overpriced upgrade packages required. Another advantage of the RDX is resale value. While many luxury SUVs lose a huge chunk of their worth in just a few years, the RDX holds strong thanks to Honda's reputation for durability. It's the smart pick for those who want sophistication and reliability wrapped into one. The Mazda CX-5 is the SUV for drivers who still want excitement behind the wheel. Available with a turbocharged engine producing up to 256 horsepower, it delivers sports car-like acceleration in a practical, compact SUV. Even with that kind of power, the CX-5 maintains efficiency, reaching up to 31 mpg on the highway. Handling is sharp and precise, making it one of the most engaging SUVs to drive in its class. Reliability is another major strength. It's not unusual to see CX-5s surpassing 200,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. Annual upkeep costs are also lower than the segment average, making it both fun and financially smart. If you want an SUV that delivers performance without sacrificing dependability, the CX-5 is the answer. These 5 SUVs, the Subaru Forester, Lexus RX, Toyota Highlander Hybrid, Acura RDX, and Mazda CX-5, prove that reliability and value can go hand in hand with comfort and performance. Each one dominates in its category, but all share the same DNA: durability, low ownership costs, and peace of mind mile after mile. Whether you're looking for family space, luxury, or driving excitement, one of these SUVs will fit perfectly. And the best part? They're designed to avoid regrets and deliver real long-term satisfaction.